thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, of course, the Amazon wig. If you've been watching my videos, you know I'm in deep. I'm in deep with the Amazon wig, and I absolutely love it. And today is another goodie for you. So this wig right here is actually from QD-Udreamy. I'll leave the link down below for this beautiful wig. This wig actually comes in seven different colors, and they also have a plethora of very interesting and fun colors and styles of wigs, and some wigs that I haven't seen other Amazon wig companies have. So very exciting, including this one. This beautiful blue wig. Now they just call it straight blue, but for sure this is like a very earthy, I feel like slatey sky blue. It definitely has a warmness to it. Not warmness, but just like an earthiness to it, where it isn't a vibrant baby blue. So it actually is really interesting. I was really excited to try this because clearly I love blue wigs. Here's all the blue wig videos, or most of them that I've done. I absolutely love them. And this is a tone that I do not have. So I was like, I kind of have to have it, right? I mean, it's for science, people. For science. So, okay, so this wig is 24 inches long. And actually most of these Amazon wigs that are long are 24 inches. And I don't know if you noticed, but you can kind of see like it has some layers already, which is really nice. So the thing is, like, this wig is straight, but it has like, it's not fully straight. It has kind of like this very soft curl or sweep. Do you see like the sweepiness to it? It's really nice that it's not like super straight. It has a little bit of like a natural like sweepiness to it. So this is, like I said, around 24 inches. This is also heat resistant. Now it doesn't say how much heat, but I actually did apply a little bit of heat to the root area. I always feel like just in the front area of these Amazon wigs, probably from packaging, that it just is like a little bumpy. It just needs to be like smoothed out at the top. So my flat iron doesn't go to a degree, it goes to numbers, which is up to 7, and I did a 5. So go low always with these wigs that doesn't specify the actual heat temperature. So normally they say around maybe 340 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a heat resistant wig, but go low. So like I said, I went to a 5 and it did just fine. I clearly didn't smell any burning, nor did anything melt. So all is well. So with this has a 2.5 inch parting right here, and the lace is like a blondie color, which is nice. And then let's look at the inside. Also, all these Amazon wigs that I have are very large head friendly. So ladies with needing the large head friendly wigs, these are right up your alley. So again, there are 2 clips on the side and 1 clip in this kind of center middle part. I never use this clip. And of course there are the fasteners in the bottom. But let's just take a little look. There she is, all up there. Pretty easy. So like I said, so this is very large head friendly. What I normally do is I have it on clearly the tightest setting, and also I normally end up tying one of the clips to either the lace or honestly like a part that is like this last loop here that is inside here because I just need it tighter. And then also what's really nice about these Amazon wigs is that it already comes with 2 wig caps. So if you need wig caps, you're ready as soon as it's delivered. But I will be using one of my current wig caps that I have from Amazon. I also got a 10-pack for $5.99, deal of the century. So always have your wig caps. I feel like I'm losing them always, or I always realize that I package my wigs back up with the wig cap and then I always wonder where are my wig caps? And then when I bust out a wig, I realize it's inside the wig. Okay, I'm gonna back it up a little bit because I put my wigs on front to back. Front to back. Woo! Okay. Whoa. Look at this dream girl. Look at this. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think about this? So this is pretty shiny, as you can see. So a really great trick for wigs that are a little bit shiny is add a little bit of baby powder to the wig to kind of soften it up. But you see kind of like how soft it is and how it just kind of like has these sweeps to it, which I really dig. I really like it. Also, these wigs are low on the tangling. Of course, they will tangle some. I mean, it's impossible for a wig not to tangle because your own hair tangles like crazy in the wind, even if you have short hair like me. So, very minimal tangle though, and also very minimal shedding. Always does a little bit, but honestly, really, really great. So, okay, so here's this actually. Let me just brush this up just a tad. Oh my God, I just really love this. What do you guys think? Kind of matched my makeup to it. What do you guys think about that? Okay, now I'm gonna move the part to the side that I normally part my hair. Just kind of shift it around. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love this. Love it. I just really love this color as it's such a soft, earthy blue. Okay, let's move this to the other side now. Okay. Oh, it just looks so great. Look at this. If my hair could like lay like this, my real hair, man, I would wear my hair way more often, but she does not. And then why wouldn't I want to look like this? Okay, so of course, I'm 5'7", so this is mid-waist belly button for me as I'm 5'7". So this is like, again, also what's really great about these wigs is that clearly it is very long, that if you just want to trim it a couple inches, like trim it a couple inches. I feel like since it already has these layers, it already feels pretty great. But of course, use thinning shears or whatnot if you choose. Again, all I've done to this wig is just cut the lace off. So still, I could modify this with thinning shears and using a razor comb to create the baby hairs. So you just do whatever you want to do to be as fabulous as you want to be in this wig or any other wig. So again, this wig right here is from Amazon. It is from a company called QD-Udreamy. Of course, up here, I'll leave the link down below. This comes in 7 different colors. They have a bunch of other really, really great wigs. Of course, as you know, reach out to me, leave me a comment. I wanna know if you have a favorite blue wig, if you have a favorite Amazon wig, or a wig from this company. I honestly would love to know about it. And send me your pictures. Again, my Instagram account is down here. Great way for you to reach out to me with your photos and let me know what you're up to, your favorite makeup. I wanna know, and I really appreciate every single one of you, because remember, life is short. Wear a wig, have as much fun as you can every single day, and it is your right to be as fabulous as you want to be. Because when you're fabulous, the whole world is fabulous with you. So I thank you, and we will see you soon.